Os fabricantes de motores não são os únicos que pensam grande. O Sycorsky Ch-53E Super Stallion é o maior helicóptero do mundo ocidental.
It's the largest helicopter that we own. The dimensions of the helicopter, it's 99 feet long. The rotor head is 79 feet in diameter. From the ground to the top of the tallest tailblade is going to be about 28 feet.
Desde os anos 50, o helicóptero é usado no transporte de objetos pesados através de cabos presos à fuselagem. Quando o assunto é carga pesada em batalhas, o CH-53E é a primeira escolha dos Estados Unidos.
The CH-53 Echo was originally designed to carry 32,000 pounds at 100 knots indicated airspeed for 100 nautical miles, hover on station for 5 minutes, and then make the return flight home.
A maravilha tecnológica deste gigante é o rotor de 25 metros de diâmetro.
Most normal helicopters in inventory today carry 4 or 5 main rotor blades. Ours carries 7, which helps provide that additional lift due to our size and capabilities.
Até o rotor de cauda é exagerado em tamanho.
Here, we're looking at the tail rotor of the CH-53 Echo. You can see it's extremely large, over 20 foot in diameter, and has 4 blades. It's larger than the main rotor head of most helicopters today.
O helicóptero é capaz de levar 2 Humvees com grande facilidade. O peso combinado dos veículos é de mais de 5 toneladas. Durante a manobra, a força das pás empurra os marines para o chão, tal qual um furacão.
And what we'll do today is we'll approach the Humvees and hover over them, while our crew chiefs in the back help align the pilots over the load. We'll have a helicopter support team, approximately 6 Marines underneath our helicopter, and they'll hook up the external load to the helicopter. Once we pick the Humvees up off the ground, our crew chiefs will make sure the load is steady and is riding in the correct fashion, and they'll clear the pilots for forward flight.